Hey y'all! Are you ready to quench your thirst with some delicious cookie taste drinks? Well, grab your Stanley Cup quencher and let's get started. First up, we have the chocolate chip cookie shake. Start by blending together some milk, vanilla ice cream, and chocolate chip cookies. Once it's nice and smooth, pour it into your Stanley Cup quencher and top it off with some whipped cream and a sprinkle of chocolate chips. It's like drinking a cookie. Next, we have the oatmeal raisin cookie smoothie. In a blender, combine some almond milk, oats, raisins, and a dash of cinnamon. Blend it all up until it's creamy and pour it into your Stanley Cup quencher. Don't forget to add a dollop of yogurt on top for that extra cookie flavor. Now, let's move on to the snickerdoodle latte. It is our favorite. Brew a strong cup of coffee and add some milk, cinnamon, and a touch of vanilla extract. 3. Give it a good stir and pour it into your Stanley Cup quencher. And don't forget to sprinkle some cinnamon on top for that classic snickerdoodle taste. For all you peanut butter lovers out there, we have the peanut butter cookie frappuccino. Blend together some milk, peanut butter, vanilla extract, and a handful of crushed up peanut butter cookies. Once it's nice and frothy, pour it into your Stanley Cup quencher and drizzle some chocolate syrup on top. It's like a peanut butter cookie in a cup. Last but not least, we have the sugar cookie milkshake. Blend together some milk, sugar cookie dough, and a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Once it's thick and creamy, pour it into your Stanley Cup quencher and garnish it with some colorful sprinkles. It's a sweet treat that will satisfy any cookie craving. So there you have it, 5 delicious cookie taste drink recipes for all you Stanley Cup quencher owners. Grab your blender and get ready to indulge in these tasty treats. Cheers!